So after we ran our model or analysis, we are now going to design now. So we go design, then we want to define our parameters. So select parameters. Then before that, we need to add concrete, then use IS456, then select parameters. Then first, we are going to use compressive string, put it here, fmain, here, fsec, then fmain, here, maxsec, here, md1, here, md2, here, then our min main, here, our min sec, here, then over there we're going to click OK, then define parameters. So our FC, we're going to use 30,000 kilometers Newton per meter square. Then our F mains, we're going to use 600,000. At our F sec, we're going to use 600,000. At then our max main, we're going to use 16 mm. Main reinforcement 16. Then main sec 16. Then our main bar, we're going to use 12 mm dia. Our main bar 12 mm dia. Then our mini main, we are going to use 12 again. Yes. Then our mini sec, we're going to use 12 again. And perfect. Close. Right. Then we need to add, before that, we have to define assign to view. Assign. Then assign to view. Assign to view. Assign to view. Assign to view. Assign and assign to view. Assign to view. Assign then assign to view. Assign to yes. Assign to view. Assign. Yes, now we have to define edge, 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 take off, edge, then close, then we'll go where there's question marks, then design beam, then we'll go our beam, beams parallel to X and beams parallel to Z. Assign to selected beam, assign, yes, then column, select beams parallel to Y, assign to view, assign, yes, then design element, design, assign to view, yes, assign, correct. Then we're going to go for our analysis print, and now print, add, close, then we're going to run our analysis. It's going to take some time. Yes, after about 5 minutes of running the analysis, again my building is zero error. So we go to post processing mode, done, then apply. Okay, yes. Now want to see, let's go to Beam here. Then we are going to select, let me use zoom window for dynamic zoom here. I'm going to select, I'm going to select one beam here. Yes. Then I'll go to concrete design. So this is my beam with number of bars 12, bar size 16. This is area of steel 0.8. Again, I'll close this. Then I'll choose a column. This is a column. This is a column. Bar number 20. Bar size 12. Area of steel 0.88. Again, I will choose uh, this concrete. Same 0.8. Again, I'll go to, yes. So this is my perfect. Now I'm going to show you the results here. Go to step output. So this was my concrete design. So this was the output of my columns and beams here with no errors at all under IS Indian Standard 45 code. This was the output with no errors at all, meaning our building according to Indian standard is safe. If we want to build this one, these are the results, and it is going to be safe for the residents. Well, now I will close this. I'll close this. I'll close this. Now I want to see something here. So now I want to design our foundation. So go to foundation design. We need to include all these rows. Yes, include, then run, start. So these are my fixed supports. So for now, let's go here and generate load combination. So we're going to use Indian here code. So generate load combination. Okay. Then again here, generate load combinations. Okay. Yes. So now we need to to now let's close this and go to job setup, create a new job. Then I'm going to name it job name AB. For now, I'll call it AB. Then job type has to be isolated. Then here EISSI Indian. Then I'm going to say here create job. Everything is now perfect. These are my load. Create job. Yes. And create job. Exactly. We can go to isolated footing, then go to design parameters. So this is our concrete. Let us see clear. Yes, our concrete with that's the elevation. Then cover and soil. Yes, footing geometry. Yes. Sliding and overturning. Yes. So just click run here and analyze. So we'll wait for the output. Now, after 10 minutes of running the analysis, so this is our final isolated footing design. So for now, I will choose whatever type of bar I want. I'll go for footing number 30. So this is everything about footing number 30. The calculations, the requirements, see pressure at corner 2. These are the pressure. See, everything is now here. So this is the plan, shear calculation, shear plan, check trial depth. Yes, everything is now here. Then reinforcement calculation, see bar diameter. So my project is now complete. So using Indian Standard Codebook, this is what I designed, and I've analyzed it, and I find out that there was no errors at all. So my building uh, is suitable, or it's going to be efficient and also safe for the residents. So this is everything. See. So if you want again choose another, I can go for bar number 71. So this is bar number 71, isolated footing 71. So this is everything about bar 71. Well, correct. So that's all. Thank you. See you in the next project. So this was me, Takunda Nyengerai. I completed this project of a cruciform building that will be able to withstand uh, different earthquake intensities, whether it is small, moderate, or severe earthquake. So my building will be able to stand that. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.